In January 2020, TAMCO Group combined all 6 of their brands under one roof. A 411,000 square foot manufacturing and fulfillment center in Port St. Lucie, Florida. A space equivalent to 6.5 football fields. Today, CES staff and their customers have the opportunity to tour the one-of-a-kind facility for a true behind-the-scenes experience.
I think one of the great things about the tours that we do today is not only is it a functional tour where we're sitting down, we're talking about products, but there's also an opportunity for us all to get together as a group of people and socialise. And in that moment, you know what, we're building relationships, we're getting together as a family, and we're like concreting and sealing that bond between CES and TAMCO.
They get to see the facility and the people behind TAMCO. So I think that what that does is it builds confidence and trust in both the products and the team here.
Our team benefits from getting to hear the customer feedback. And I think when someone sees product being manufactured, when they see something come from a raw coil of steel, getting stamped on a press, going through a powder coat paint line, going down an assembly line, that they see the scale of the warehouse. They start to understand some of the inner workings and how we integrate better into their business.
From product information to manufacturing operations and more, the customer tour at TAMCO offers attendees a first-hand educational experience.
The quality, the time, the experience that people have here putting into the products, it's a great learning experience for anybody to come down here, whether you're a CES associate or whether you're a contractor.
Seeing how the orders are pulled, how everything's kind of palletized and everything's kind of lined up, ready to go. You don't see that part when you're on the other side ordering it.
I see this tour as being a confidence builder in me to be able to go to my customers and tell them our new capabilities, the new products we're going to be coming out with in the future of TAMCO, and to be able to bring customers down here.
The first tour happened in the 1990s. CES founder Tom Mackey was very adamant about getting customers to visit the facilities so they could see just how much they had to offer.
We've really changed the way we operate and function, and I think some of the people that have been here previously and seen some of our older facilities, getting to come again and see the new facility, there's a lot more to take away. TAMCO is made up of 6 different brands, and we really get to dive through each one of those a little bit deeper and help the understanding of the customers from a product knowledge as well as a process knowledge.
Over the years, not only has the business evolved from a single factory into this 400,000 square foot building today, but our products have evolved. The ability of our staff has evolved, and the ability of our quality control has evolved. It's a great sales pitch, it's a great opportunity to explain what we're doing as an organisation, but equally so, it's a great moment in time when we get to meet the branch staff, but also branch staff get time to meet amongst their own group and amongst their own districts.
And what everyone at TAMCO would like people to walk away with is a greater understanding of what TAMCO does and what they have to offer customers.
So this is where you can bring customers, this is where you can give your product feedback, and you can help us create the products that you want to sell over the next few years.
We've got a brand new facility here. There's a lot more to take away.
What our tour is today is completely different from what it was in the 90s, and it also has a fundamental difference in the message that we're sending out. So our message in that period of time was more about look at the investment we're making as a company for the future. Today it's more about look what we're able to do for what you.
You're watching CEStv. CES, proudly supplying communities since 1983.